Once we have content in our app, we can choose when and how to display objects by adding scripts. In this example, we'll configure the app to show the chart or the table rather than both. In the Designer panel, we'll ensure that the table is set to be visible at view time, and the chart is not. Next, we'll add images that will act as buttons to toggle between the table and chart. We'll import the files, add them to the canvas, and rename them something more meaningful in the Outline panel. Now we can add scripting to the images, which we can access from the context menu for the image or in the Outline panel. A new tab opens, where we can build a script to define what happens when the on-click event is triggered for the image. We can get assistance by pressing Ctrl+space, which brings up a list of objects and functions we can use to build our statements. As we type, the list is filtered to match our entries. In this example, we'll start by adding a statement to set the chart as visible when the image is clicked. We'll select the chart object, add a period, open the Content Assistance again to select the Set Visible function, set the Boolean return type to true, and end the statement with a semicolon. Next, we'll add another statement to set the table as invisible using the same syntax. We'll also add statements to change the visibility of the images themselves so that they'll behave like a toggle. Here we need to make the Switch to Chart image invisible and the Switch to Table image visible. Now we'll do the same thing in reverse for the Switch to Table image. Finally, we'll set the image so that it's not visible at view time, like the chart. Now we can arrange the objects so they're layered on top of each other. Keep in mind that when objects are hidden under other objects on the canvas, they can still be selected in the Outline panel. Now we'll save our changes and run the application. Initially, the Switch to Chart image and the table are visible. If we click the image, these objects disappear and the Switch to Table image and the chart display. Thanks for watching.